Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox, as you can see, TP-Link wireless router. Its model is WR840N. It has two antenna, as you can see, and both are 5 dB antenna, and it support IPTV and also 300 Mbps its speed. So it has four options, and you can use as a router or range extender and access point and WISP. So as you can see here, setup options, you can set up by your own apps, Android and iOS, and you can set up by your Windows web interface some feature. So let's unboxing. So I open this. As you can see in this another box here, and first of all, router itself with two antenna, user guide, installation guide, and cable, and finally adapter. It is a 9-volt adapter. So nothing, it's a regular packaging. So it's covered plastics, as you can see, TP-Link branding and three. So as you can see, it's a branding and it has 3 lead indicator. So in this back side, some information about this router and default access point access. So default access, some air ventilations, so heat go away. So in this back side, power and WAN port and some 4 LAN port, and finally is a WPS or reset button. So pretty simple, and it is a best budget router.